there are some guys who can inspire, and this is this story is drawn from one of those guys, si Senator Clavier. The story he tells regarding this situation is a story about three Boy Scouts whose driving ambition was really to become a hero. So they had all the merit badges, but they wanted one heroism medal. So they tried all the technical courses that would allow them to become heroes. They had a training needs assessment, and so they took a first aid course, they took a swimming course, they took several courses that would allow them to have the tools needed so that they could become heroes. Well, to go straight to the point, they were walking along a very high bridge, under which was a river with several people in the rural areas washing their clothes. And suddenly there was one boy who got pushed into the faster current, and he was drowning and screaming for help. So at this opportunity, the three boys froze on the high bridge and could not rescue the boy. And because of that hesitation, after a few seconds, there was another Boy Scout who jumped into the water, looked around, saw the boy drowning, and picked him up, pulled him to safety. He became the hero. So he was honored in the town. He was given the medal that these three other Boy Scouts had wanted so hard. So while they were despairing, they said na nakadaan na yan, tanong na lang natin yung kasama natin kung ano yung nagtulak sa kanya para gawin yung ginawa niya. So lumapit sila sa Boy Scout na naging hero. Alam mo, gusto namin talaga sanang maging hero kagaya mo. Pero nung panahon na pwede kaming maging hero, ikaw lang ang nagkaroon ng presence of mind to save that boy. Ano ba yung sikreto mo? So the boy very candidly and honestly said, alam nyo, hanggang ngayon, hinahanap ko pa yung gagong tumulak sa akin eh. Kasi tinulak lang ako eh. Ang kwento pala, tinulak siya, nahulog sa bridge, basang-basa na, basa na rin lang ako. Kinuha na niya yung bata. Andun na siya eh. So that's how we can react in that setting. We can be bystanders on the bridge. We can be in the river, minding our washing chores, or we can be heroes who, because of the situation, basa na tayo eh. Rural health physicians na tayo. We've been pushed into this municipal health office. We can be heroes and do something good where we are.